In this journey, we're not just talking about accumulating riches. We're focusing on creating a sustainable financial foundation that transforms your life and enables you to achieve your dream. Let's dive into these guiding principles that can help pave your path to financial independence and beyond. Rule 1. The Geographic Arbitrage Gambit. Embracing geographic arbitrage involves leveraging the cost of living discrepancies between different areas to your financial advantage. This strategy is particularly potent in the era of remote work. You can earn a salary based on a high-cost location's pay scale while living in a low-cost area or country. Success here requires meticulous planning, an adventurous spirit, and adaptability to new culture. It's a powerful method to supercharge savings rates, invest more aggressively, and accelerate the journey toward financial freedom. Rule 2. Financial Minimalism Mastery. Financial minimalism goes beyond simple budget cuts, advocating for a profound reassessment of what truly adds value to your life. It's about stripping away the unnecessary, focusing your spending on experiences and investments that genuinely bring joy and growth. This rule challenges you to scrutinize every dollar spent, invest in the surplus in assets that compound over time. Cultivating financial minimalism demands continuous self-reflection and a strong commitment to your long-term vision of wealth. Rule 3. Free education hacking. In an age where knowledge is at our fingertips, paying top dollar for education isn't always necessary. By strategically utilizing online platforms, open source materials, and scholarships, you can acquire in-demand skills and advanced knowledge without the burden of student debt. This approach requires discipline, a proactive attitude, and the ability to self-direct your learning journey. Investing time in acquiring and mastering high-value skills can dramatically increase your earning potential and investment capacity. Rule 4. Skill-based betting as a side hustle. While traditional advice often warns against gambling, there's a distinction to be made for skill-based betting where your expertise can significantly tilt the odds in your favor. This might include poker, sports betting where deep analytical skills can provide an edge, or even financial markets trading. Success in this arena demands deep knowledge of your field, exceptional discipline, risk management, and an understanding that it should complement, not replace, more stable income streams. Rule 5. Crisis market investment opportunities. Investing in markets, sectors, or assets that have recently experienced a downturn requires a contrarian mindset and a deep understanding of market cycles. While it carries higher risk, buying into undervalued assets during a crisis can lead to substantial returns as markets recover. This strategy demands rigorous research, a long-term perspective, and the fortitude to invest when others are fearful. Rule 6. Building a personal brand for passive income. In the digital economy, a strong personal brand can be leveraged to create numerous passive income streams, from social media platforms, blogs, to online courses and ebooks. Developing a personal brand requires consistency, authenticity, and a strategic approach to content creation. It opens doors to speaking engagements, sponsorships, and consulting opportunities, transforming your knowledge and passions into lucrative revenue stream. Rule 7. Extreme couponing combined with arbitrage. Turning couponing into a profit-making venture involves more than just saving money on personal shopping. It's about finding opportunities to purchase goods at significantly discounted rates and then reselling them at market price. This approach combines savvy shopping skills with an entrepreneurial mindset, requiring time to research deals, organizational skills to manage purchases, and marketing acumen to sell products for a profit. Rule 8. The No Spend Year Challenge. Embarking on a No Spend Year challenges you to only spend on absolute necessities, drastically increasing your savings rate. This extreme form of financial discipline forces a creative reevaluation of needs versus wants, encourages the use of existing resources, and fosters a deeper appreciation for non-material pleasure. It's a powerful reset button for your spending habits with profound long-term implications for your wealth-building journey. Rule 9. Investing in unconventional assets. Exploring niche markets and unconventional assets, from vintage collectibles to digital currencies, or even investing in startups, can uncover unique opportunities for growth. This path requires a blend of passion, expertise, and the willingness to venture off the beaten path. It's about identifying trends before they hit the mainstream, understanding the intrinsic value of niche assets, and timing the market effectively. Rule 10. Cultivating a side hustle ecosystem. Rather than relying on a single side hustle, cultivate a diverse ecosystem of small income streams. This could range from freelance work, online tutoring, content creation, to micro business ventures. The key is to diversify your income sources, making your financial foundation more resilient to economic shifts while steadily increasing your earning potential. Rule 11. Strategic leverage utilization. Leverage, when used wisely, can magnify your investment returns. This could involve using mortgage loans to invest in real estate or leveraging equity to expand your investment portfolio. It requires a sophisticated understanding of debt, a clear analysis of potential returns versus risks, and an unwavering commitment to monitoring and managing your leveraged positions. Rule 12. Automating asset accumulation. Automation in wealth building isn't just about regular savings. It's about setting up systems that automatically channel your funds into various asset classes, taking advantage of dollar-cost averaging, and removing emotional bias from your investment decisions. This strategy demands an upfront effort to set up and periodically review your automation rules, but pays dividends in consistency and growth over time. Rule 13. Transforming hobbies into investment vehicles. Look at your hobbies through a financial lens, identifying opportunities to transform them into income. Generating ventures. This could be anything from monetizing a craft or art form, developing software, or growing a niche blog. It requires entrepreneurial spirit, creativity, and the ability to market your passion effectively. Rule 14. The stealth wealth approach. Adopting stealth wealth means keeping your financial success under wraps to avoid societal pressures and potential threats. It's about enjoying your wealth privately, making discreet investments, and avoiding the display of affluence that could lead to unwanted attention or jeopardize your financial security. Rule 15. Barter economy revival. In a modern twist on an ancient practice, look for opportunities to barter goods and services without monetary exchange. This can lead to significant savings, strengthen community ties, and provide access to goods and services that might otherwise be inaccessible. Success here requires negotiation skills, a network of like-minded individuals, and an openness to non-traditional economic transactions. Rule 16. Strategic windfall investment. Receiving a windfall, be it from an inheritance, lottery, or a bonus, presents a unique opportunity to leap forward in your financial journey. The key is to resist the immediate gratification of splurging and instead channel these funds into investments that generate ongoing returns, such as income, generating real estate, dividend stocks, or funding an entrepreneurial venture. Rule 17. Tax optimization mastery. Advanced tax planning goes beyond basic deductions, exploring strategies for income shifting, harvesting tax losses, and making the most of tax-advantaged investment accounts. It requires a deep dive into tax laws, potentially with the help of a tax professional, to structure your finances in a way that minimizes your tax liability and maximizes your wealth growth. Rule 18. Partnering towards financial independence. Achieving financial independence can be accelerated through partnership, either with a spouse, family member, or a trusted friend. Combining resources, sharing expenses, and investing jointly can fast-track wealth accumulation. This approach demands mutual goals, transparency, and a shared commitment to financial discipline. Rule 19. Prioritizing health as an investment. Viewing health as an integral component of your wealth strategy recognizes that medical expenses can undermine financial stability, while good health extends your ability to earn and enjoy your wealth. Investing in your physical and mental well-being can save on future healthcare costs and improve overall life satisfaction. Rule 20. Rethinking retirement for early financial freedom. Traditional retirement planning often aims for a distant future. Instead, focus on achieving financial independence as early as possible through aggressive saving, investing, and income diversification. This allows you the freedom to pursue work that is meaningful regardless of the income it generates and live on your own terms much earlier than traditional retirement age. Adopting these unconventional rules isn't just about accumulating wealth. It's about embracing a mindset that sees beyond the conventional, challenges the status quo, and creatively leverages opportunities for financial growth. Each rule invites you to expand your financial imagination, explore untapped resources, and build a life where wealth serves as a tool for achieving your greatest aspirations.